Now, batter goes right in. Got a little bit of paprika in that thing. That's why you got the color. Also a little bit of Tabasco for spice. Once you're about halfway in, just let them drop. Woo! Goes quick. And what are we gonna accompany it with? Pickles. Fried pickles to be exact. Here is an easy thing that you can do at home. Of course, fried pickles, everybody knows it. You're gonna take a pickle, and we're just gonna go straight through the center, go halfway down. We're gonna take your other big old pickle. If you got some Vlasics, you can use those. Now, batter goes right in. Got a little bit of paprika in that thing. That's why you got the color. Also a little bit of Tabasco for spice. Once you're about halfway in, just let them drop. Woo! Goes quick. Gonna take both of them at the same time. Gonna pull one out. Oh, come on, guys. Number two. Don't spill anything, don't spill anything, don't spill anything. Go in one. Go in two. And of course, one is already done. This is how fast fried pickles go, by the way. Oh, guys, come on, look at that color. That's beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite pickle. All right, got the last one here. Second off, I'm gonna grab my tea, watch and learn. Gonna go right on here, right on top. Do you have 2 solid gold bars lying around? Well, that could get you about 2 pounds of the most expensive tea in the world. It comes from China, the Da Hong Pao tea. I hope I pronounced that right. Just like so. And we need a pat, mesh everything in. Give it a good little slap for ourselves. Gonna turn this. Of course, I've already prepared in advance just for you. A little bit of aluminum foil. Gonna go in right on the sides. Make sure everything is sealed. Now we're gonna go into a preheated oven, 350 degrees, and now we're gonna let this cook for 2 hours. So again, something very, very simple that you can do at home. All right, right out of the oven. You're not gonna see any fumes when it comes off, but you can see that we have masterly cooked this rib here. Go in with the knife, just like so. Gonna go right to our sandwich. Now look at that thing, looks absolutely beautiful. We gotta get these little bones out. And save the biggest bone for just in a second. Oh, come on, you last stingy. Gonna start putting our fried pickles right on top. Finishing those up. Boo, coming in with the big boy. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna push right in to the top, and you have your McRibbage. So I'm gonna take this big bad boy up. Oh, it's heavy. Okay. You get to learn all about ribs, a little bit about tea as well, but now actually let's see how it's made. Hope you're ready.
Welcome to the island life. We are here in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, off the coast of Portugal. The island is 20 miles long. It's called Açores. On the west coast, you have temperatures just like in Oregon. On the east coast, it's sunny, just like Miami, and we're here for tea. Because for me, I don't even know how tea is made and how it gets into those little tiny packets. So we're visiting a 6th generation tea farm. They started back in 1883. You're gonna learn a little bit about green tea, a little bit about black tea. Let's get started.
After the leaves have dried overnight, minimum 5 hours, it's gonna go into this, and this is a steamer. So it's gonna be steam in it. That's the difference between green tea and black tea. All right, so after everything has come here, we're gonna go into a big pot. Well, this is where the tea is actually rolled. And what this does is that it releases all the enzymes. Underneath, for black tea, this is where it'll actually oxidize. So green tea just gets the vapor to stop the oxidation process. But this is how you get black tea after it's rolled. So after we've rolled the green tea, it's now time for the drying process, which is very, very critical. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna get some of the tea, you're gonna put everything in, make sure it's evenly spread out. So now we get to get our little tea on. We gotta take the stems out, so we're just leaving the leaves here.
All right, guys, so you learned all about the process of tea making. Make sure to share, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you for the next ingredient, but after tea time.